a pandemic, you may feel very lonely. You may feel like you belong to an extinct species. You might have been wandering around alone. However, you do have someone around, willing to listen to you and walk with you through the tough time. Keep yourself connected with friends and family. You can use the old school ways, call them or write them letters too. Sanitize everything in a reasonable manner. Sleep, which may not be easy for some of us, but try your best anyway. Make some good food for yourself. Work out, especially after you ate a lot. Enjoy some entertainment, but don't get drawn into it. If you're working at home, take breaks and establish a healthy routine. Make craft. Make use of some cardboard boxes from your online purchases. Look around and count your blessings. You do have a home and electricity, right? Support those who are in need according to your abilities and resources available. You can also read, learn something new, draw and paint to infuse some color to the world, sing to express and vent your feelings, contemplate. Remember those who lost their lives, those who lost someone, those who are suffering. And pray. And listen to your soul. When you're feeling down, ask for help. There are always someone around available to offer help. Remember, you are loved. Your buddies care about you. They're willing to ease you out. Let's walk this difficult part of our life journey together.